How to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. So if you want to recover your Gmail account without the phone number and recovery email, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now go for the profile option, which is on the upper right side, and then you need to tap on help and feedback. Once you tap on it here, you just need to go for contact us option. Once you tap on contact us, you need to tell what they can help with. So you just need to enter your problem, which is recover Google account or Gmail account, and tap on next. And you need to choose other and then select a reason. So for example, you can select Google Play apps, tap on next step, and here it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply go for how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Or if you want to recover your Google, you can go for how do I recover my Google account, or you can go with all of these options. So for Gmail account, I'll be choosing the first option. Tap on the first option, and then you need to scroll down, and here go for someone else is using your account. Tap on that, recover a hacked or hijacked Google or Gmail account, and it will take you to the step where you need to go for account recovery page. Tap on account recovery page, and here you need to enter the email or the phone number associated with the recovery account. So enter, and then tap on next, and you can either use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock, and then tap on continue. Or if you don't have that access, then you can go for try another way, and then you can enter your password. But if you still don't remember your password, then you can simply tap on try another way again, and here it asks to enter the last password. So you don't remember the current password, right? But you can enter the last password. So simply enter the password and then tap on next. Here it says welcome back, which means your account has been recovered.